Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's your friendly neighborhood Armenian here with another video. Finally got our first legit snow of the year. Supposedly it's gonna go on all day. Gonna clean up the driveway, clean up the car a little bit. Got the winter tires on the GR Corolla. If you saw last week's video, you'll know they got installed recently, and we're gonna throw some GoPros on there and see what it's like out on the road. Maybe do some snow nuts, have a good time in the snow. Really test this car out and see how it does. Let's get that first snow cold start.
Roads don't look great, but they really don't look bad. All this hype about this crazy storm we're gonna get today. This might be crazy for the south, but this is nothing for Massachusetts. It's still early. This is supposed to go on till tonight. I doubt it's gonna get worse though. Yeah, I mean, look at the parking lots. If you can see, it's doesn't look that bad. Let me see if I can find some back roads and see what it's like there. If you haven't seen the install video, they are Continental Viking Contact winter tires or snow tires. 235s all around, so I kept the same width as the stock tires. I think 235s for a car like this to cut through snow is perfect width for grip, traction, and cutting through snow and ice, or snow basically. You don't want them too wide because you don't want to ride on the snow, you want to cut through the snow. Hence why rally cars have super skinny tires when they're rallying through snow. I'm gonna cut here until I find a road and get you all some content, hopefully. So hopefully I'll see you in a bit.
A few moments later.
All right, we're getting to... Oh! The tow truck is drifting. I don't know if I got that on camera. Sliding, not drifting. But we're getting into some more uncleared surfaces. I really hope the truck in front of me isn't about to drop a ton of salt. Let's not get ourselves into some scary trouble. I don't know what's up ahead, so let me casually cruise up first, see what we got, see if it's bad. I don't want to go head on into something full throttle without knowing what's on the other end. Oh yeah, it's definitely getting a lot. Oof. But another thing, so something about this car, I don't know if you've seen my wife's Mazda 3 turbo hatch. That thing is pretty low to the ground. This car has a bit more ground clearance, so I'm honestly not too worried getting to areas where, I don't know, I might have to plow through a little bit of snow or a little dips and things like that. This car's got really good clearance. I mean, it is a rally bred car, if you will. So definitely got more clearance than like an STI, I guess I would say. STIs or Evos from factory. I haven't touched the suspension on this thing either, at least not yet. So it's still stock clearance, stock ride height. Alright, I pulled over on the side of the road. We're somewhere in Lincoln, Mass. There's Route 2 over there. It's starting to get pretty good for snowy weather for this car, and this car is handling, knock on wood, I don't want to jinx myself, but pretty damn well. Here's what it looks like right now. It's cleaned it up as much as I could, all the gunk between the wheel wells and whatnot, so I don't have any issues with steering or chattering or anything like that, moving at higher speeds. Car's looking good, car's doing great, car's sounding great. So let's get in the car, let's do a quick POV as well. Gotta say, so far I am very impressed with how this car is doing. I'm barely even trying, like the car just, with winter tires. So I got snow tires on, let's clarify that again. So got the Continental Viking Contacts 235s all around, and this thing is doing, it's like dedicated snow and winter tires or wet tires, so it's doing awesome with the all-wheel drive. The setup I have is, I have it in sport mode for best throttle response, and then I have the traction in expert, or basically like very limited traction, so that I don't have anything cutting when I'm going through the snow, if I'm sliding or anything like that, so I don't lose power, so I can power through. That's the best method with all-wheel drive safely. And then the GR, the four-wheel drive or the all-wheel drive, I have it in the track setting, which is 50% front and rear bias, so it should be equal torque all around. So that getting out of the way, let's go for a quick drive again, or continue in a POV drive. I do have the frequency intelligent exhaust valves open, so if it gets too noisy or boomy, I will close the valves for this part of the video. And of course we have the MST intake on the car, sounding excellent. See the distance, because it's coming down harder, you can barely see past that truck up there. But yeah, like you see, I'm not even trying or worried about losing traction right now. The car's doing great. Of course, if you go full throttle, it'll kick out a little bit, but if you're just cruising, it's very easy, effortless. It's the perks of all-wheel drive, proper setup all-wheel drive in winter states, snow states. Planning on hooning on public roads. I was trying to find parking lots actually like that, but it looks like they've already plowed that. I think I'm a little too late for this area, or where I live basically, for unplowed parking lots. Hear that turbo spool and the wind down. I love this intake, sounds so great. That was fun. That was hella fun. Well, that was fun. Empty parking lots, that's the key. And wait for the snow to really come down. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Appreciate all the support. And if you're stopping by for the first time, hit that subscribe button. Got tons of GR Corolla and car content in general. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Leave them down below. And as always, thank you all so much for watching. Till next time, peace.